How to change your age on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the account center option you see there and then tap on profiles and personal details option. Here, go ahead and navigate to personal details and then tap on your birthday option. You will then see the edit button right here, so tap on the edit button you see there and then go ahead and make the required changes. Once you are done making your changes, simply tap on the save option you see there at the bottom and you will then be required to confirm your changes. So tap on the confirm button you see there, and with this, the changes that you made will be saved. So this was about how you can change your age on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.